My name is Charlie Skane, and I did my capstone project on a video series breaking down the New York Red Bull soccer team. So I decided to do this project topic because I've always been interested in sports analytics. So I saw this as an opportunity to grow that interest and kind of pick at it and dig deep, because I see myself doing this in the future through college and hopefully as a profession. So I ended up looking at the Red Bulls and their formations and tactics, and I was looking for continuities and trends throughout their season, and if they changed something about their play style, if that had a positive impact or a negative impact throughout their season. And I also looked at the opponents and how they matched up against the Red Bulls. When I didn't do every game from the season, I picked out key games, like games with lopsided results or rivalry games that might have had a different strategy going into them, and also the long playoff